in today's video, we're gonna learn how to make a cool edit, and let's get straight into it. I'm using an iPad mini for this project. So when you're on the home screen, open iMovie. So when you're in iMovie, make a new project and click Movie, and then just click Create Movie on the bottom. And then go to Backgrounds, and then click the black square and click the plus sign. Now I'm gonna be showing you how I make my intro. So first, make another clip by going to Backgrounds and choosing a color. And then you could pick any text, and then you could pick your channel name. And then I'm doing this how I do it. You can make anything you want, but this is how I make my intros. Then you could pick your channel name, and then you're gonna make it small, and it's gonna get bigger once you do more scenes. So this is the second clip, and then if it does this, just delete it and duplicate it again. And if it does it again, which this happens now, you'll delete it again and then duplicate it, but stay on it and don't click out, and then move it there and make it bigger also. And then repeat this and then make it bigger, and then drag it to the corner and then duplicate it one more time, make it even bigger, and then drag it to the middle and then duplicate it again and then make it longer and then make it bigger once again. But if this is too big, you could just make it smaller. Yeah, and then you could play it through, see how it is. You can make some little changes if you need to. You could hit full clip duration for it to stay on the screen the whole time, and then it'll gradually fade away. And you could add sounds to it, and you can record anything you want. You could use the music I use, link in the description, and then yeah, you could do a recording, you could delete your recording, you could make it fade by clicking on it, and then you can make it fade. And you could play the whole thing through, see how it is. And yeah, you could make your intro. But if the clips in the middle, the 4 clips in the middle, if those are too fast, you could make them slower, like what I'm doing right now. You can make them slower by making their clips bigger, and it'll make them slower because you want a smooth pace to it. So, and you want it to match up with the music. This should be your final result. I was just using my welcome to my channel video, so you don't have to copy that.